Hi.
Hi, ladies.
Hi.
We are up in Minnesota with my sister Barb, and we are doing our Boxy Charm, our BoxyLuxe, Boxy Charm Luxe, BoxyLuxe, however you want to say it. So
We're doing a box.
you get your box, and it's packaged like this. It's just a bunch of stuff in a box.
Normally Boxy Charm is $21 a month, but I signed up for the BoxyLuxe, and so once a quarter you pay an additional $30 and you get a $50 box instead of your $21 box. And this is a great deal. It's usually worth over $300.
Yeah, these are
for
fun.
the
These are really fun.
So let's dig in and see. Could I have the card?
No,
And
you're
I'll-
gonna open your products. This is your box.
Well, you can open it.
It's okay. I'll read it.
Well,
All right.
break up
You
the argument
open
and
it.
I'll open
All
it.
right, good idea, Barb.
I'll do
Okay,
it.
so she's succumbing. Still gave her the ghost in your glow with the $50 upgrade. here.
Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. What is that?
It's a hydrating, recovering sleeping mask that balances skin naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness.
You don't want to open this,
Yeah,
do you?
why not? I'm not giving them away. Let me try it. Debbie's got the rosacea on her face.
did you
Maybe
put lip
she
gloss
needs
on?
it. A long time ago.
A lot of women at my age, almost 58,
It
have a
smells
little
good.
bit of
Smell it, Barb.
rosacea. You don't see it when my makeup's on. It's not like it's a problem.
No, but your face is red. We already talked
My
about
face
it.
is
in
red all
another-
the time. I have very ruddy skin.
Ruddy?
That's what.
Oh,
yes.
is that what it's called?
Yes.
But anyway, okay, so this little
You have sallow skin.
box, it smells good.
This would be interesting to see if it
They're
actually
both
works.
having a thing right now. 'Cause she's
Cindy
angry
just-
about a jewelry
Cindy
box.
just came off a video where she was really upset about a jewelry box being
And
way
she
more
loves
expensive.
the fact that she was pissy in the last video over her box that she paid way too much money for, 3 cruddy pieces of jewelry. She's still on cloud 9 and she's still 6 feet under. This should be interesting.
It's usually reversed, isn't it? I'm usually the grumpy,
I'm
crabby
fine.
one.
Let's move on and put a smile on our viewer's face.
Okay, the next
Always.
thing is
Okay. Oh, and by the way, this retails for $52.
oh, Barb, you sold it at your store. You do this one.
What is it?
Spongel.
This is a mani-pedi treatment set that retails for $18. Open it up, baby.
Trying.
It's infused with skin softening formula, soothing extracts of peppermint and sea kelp. Not sure what sea kelp is.
I like Spongel. Barb had these in her shop when she owned it, and I still have my. I didn't take it with me when I moved, but I used it for like a month and a half.
She's box challenged.
The box is damaged. All right, you're done.
It's a really good product.
Kids? little sisters, wouldn't you know? So it comes in these 2 little.
So one must be for the
Commas.
hand and one must be for the feet.
They're
Yeah,
commas.
mani-pedi.
Mani-pedi. They're quotation marks.
Mani
Yeah.
pedi, mani pedi.
All right. Packaged in easy-to-use size for travel. It's an
Ooh.
all-in-one beauty treatment.
Smell those, even through the plastic.
We got bugs.
Smell those, and that's coated in plastic.
Oh, those are going to be nice.
These are nice.
They retail for $18.
And Barb can attest to that because she had them in her store.
So far
Yeah.
we're up to $70 for the 2 items.
All right, Barb, pull out a product.
We are pulling out Mistress Hydrating, hair balm. Sorry for that light reflecting on there. Hopefully you can see
It retails for $29, and it's leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh your hair down. Let's see what it smells like.
Oh, it smells like you're tanning on the beach.
So
Oh,
do you,
yeah, it does.
do you put it on wet hair or dry hair?
It has coconut oil in it. You leave it in conditioning balm that won't weigh your hair
Apply
down.
to damp or dry hair. Air dry or blow out. So I think with dry hair, because I wash my hair every other day, but I think it's good to keep
I've got
the frizzies
so much
down.
stuff in my hair right now. I just did a previous thing, put a bunch of dry shampoo. Now I've got leave-in conditioner. It's lovely hair.
You use this and then you can walk by and swing your ponytail like in our other video, and then people go, what is that smell? It smells great.
It smells like, Barb's right, it smells like you just got,
Off
you're
the
walking,
beach.
you just got back from your hotel room from the beach and you haven't
This
showered.
retails for $29 for this tube. All right.
All right. Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna open this. A clipless curling iron. Woo-wee, that sounds fun.
Oh, it's got a cool tip. It's the perfect tool for beach waves, glam curls, soft or tight curls, even ringlets. Retails for $65.
Well, that'd be a great weapon.
So how do you do it? I think.
Oh, this is with girls with longer hair. They take it and they start down here and they wrap it around.
Yeah.
You just, it doesn't have that, you know, on most curling irons, how it
You don't
crimps
rip
it.
your hair out.
But if you don't use it right, then you get that crimp in your hair and then it's hard to get out. So I've seen the girls with long hair, they start down here and they wrap it up and they hold it till it curls. And then when you take it out, you have the ringlet. These are really nice.
They are,
Yeah,
but I'd
they're-
probably end up with burns on
Me
my
too. I was
fingers.
just gonna say that. I burn
Well,
myself.
I'll take
with,
it if you don't want it.
I'm gonna try it.
Ooh, you have pretty short
I'm
hair.
gonna
to
try
use
it. If it doesn't work, it's all
Let me see that.
yours.
It does look kind of weird though without the clip.
Doesn't it?
Looks like it should take batteries.
But it has curls like this. So
Now,
see, when it
yeah.
comes down, after you take it off, you'll have this nice loopy curl.
All right. Well, I'll try it. That's nice. $65. I mean, how do they do that? How do they get this stuff in there?
I don't know.
Probably because there's a lot of markup.
All right. This is very nice. This is Tarte, one of Cindy's and my favorite companies.
This is called the Clay Play Face
I wish they
Shaping
didn't change their
Palette.
foundation. I can't wear their new formula because it dries out my face and makes me itch, but I do love their eye palettes.
It retails for $45.
Ooh, this is, what is
It's
it,
a
Cindy?
face shaping palette.
So it's contouring.
Wow, how do you contour with that black?
I'm not quite sure. Do they give instructions?
It's for a smoky eye, I think.
It's for face
Yeah.
and eyes. It's not just for
The
face.
dark is for your smoky
See, because
eye.
you can have that look. If we had more time, I'd do that look. But that's another video where we actually try these looks.
That's a
and then
very nice, what does that retail for? Probably like
$45.
Yeah.
I already said that, but she
Oh.
wasn't listening.
And usually when I sit in on their videos, I'm the one that they get to put the makeup on.
Yeah, so
I'm
can I
glad we're
have
waiting.
that Tarte,
Oh.
Oh. Well, yes, you may. Let me take it right out of the box.
Why,
and we
thank
will use
you,
Barb
Miss
as our
Debbie.
makeup dummy.
All right, so what
All
I'm
right.
going to do for Barb is I'm going to create.
Hide
Create
my
a,
no lip.
create a high cheekbone.
Okay.
Is that what you
I
were
don't.
gonna say?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to put it right
Ooh, I'm
underneath your
hot.
cheekbone.
You'll do one side and I'll create one on the other side.
Oh my. Yeah, do a gradual blend.
Let
that
me
would probably
see.
be good.
Oh, I don't-
My
I-
goodness,
I
it
don't
looks like
have
someone
those-
just punched her in the face.
Well, that gives me shape.
I don't have the right
Look
brush.
at that.
Watch, I will do
Nope,
No.
that's gonna sell this product
Here.
real quick.
it. Here's how you do it.
Okay, here we go. Here we go.
I don't have my highlighting brush. I didn't bring it with. Oh, if you guys could see Debbie's face, she's doing it like, I'll show her.
Now
I
it looks
know
like
what
I
I'm
got a
doing.
bad mosquito bite and reacted badly.
Hey Barb, shut up. You're only a makeup dummy. You're not to give any commentary till we're done.
Well, if I was a dummy, I wouldn't have felt your nails jabbing me in
Yeah,
my
but
cheek.
now look, see? Look at ladies. It looks like she's got a higher cheekbone. Am I right or am I right?
Now look at my side.
Now look at Cindy's side. Someone punched her in the cheek. And I'm not even done yet.
This is, you know, your average everyday. And this is Barb every day. And this is Barb on crack.
Cindy just put a big blob of brown on her
I
cheek.
swear I don't do meth very often. I've been up for 18 days on this side. This
Yeah, but
side,
That
I'm
looks like she
recovering
has a higher
and I'm sober.
cheekbone.
But here
No.
it looks like
All right,
something
ladies. It does look like I punched her in the face. On the other side, it looks like Debbie punched her 3 days ago, and it's healing.
It looks like she has a higher cheekbone.
I'm nervous that they're actually going to start punching me, so let's move on.
Moving on.
We don't punch each
I
other.
did not have the right
You don't
brushes.
ever lay a hand on anybody, no matter what's going on. So,
All right.
that's our story, and we're sticking to it.
Well,
The
I'm
next
glad- I'm
thing
glad you told me
is,
that.
Barb, you're gonna try this on next. Stay All Day Shimmer Liquid Lipstick.
It's award-winning.
Ooh, it's a
Full
it's a
coverage. It retails for $22.
This is a darker one. This should be
I just
interesting.
don't want a
Liz.
stain.
It's not a stain.
not.
It's an all-day liquid, but it is not a
Put it on.
stain. It has vitamin E and avocado oil in it.
That's actually pretty.
I thought my hair was just stuck to my face over here, but it's that contour.
Oh, we should all put it on so we look like sisters.
All right.
Well, wait a minute. Where's that brush?
What brush?
The brush that did this. Where is it?
You can take it
No
off.
way. You used a big one. Here, Cinch. Ready?
Payback, I guess.
Cinchers. Big sis.
Wait a minute. Wait, let her put her lipstick on because she always
Nope.
screws it up. Look at the corner. Look at it, it's all over the bottom of her lip. Come here. Gosh, look at all of that on my thumb. All right.
It looks like one side of my face I'm sucking my cheek in, and the other one I'm
exactly
pushing it out.
because I gave her a high cheekbone.
No, this side looks like she's... All right.
This is my
All
side.
right, come on
You
up
have the
here.
different
Let's see
side.
our lipsticks.
What do you think, ladies?
Moving on. Hank and Henry. I do like Hank and Henry. I do get their every other month box.
His.
You like Hank and
There.
Henry too?
I love Hank and Henry.
Is it two guys
I
or
like-
is it one guy?
I like Oh Henry.
Somebody told us in one of our one of the comments.
Oh, Henry.
He actually has his own.
I'm
I'm
having
gonna
a good
ignore
time with
that,
myself
Barb.
over here.
It is one guy, isn't it? They told
Yeah.
us it was one guy.
Yeah, and I did go and subscribe to his YouTube channel actually. Okay, so this is what is this?
Look at this face.
Hank and Blickety Black eyeliner. Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's awesome.
It is like a
Very fine tip marker. You do one side and I'll do one side. And do it nice, Cindy.
Okay, open. Open.
Let me see. I'll give you a more dramatic look.
I gave her
brush on
just
my
the
eyeball.
corners to make her small eyes look bigger.
You blinked when I did it.
I didn't get an oops when I did mine.
It's
The key to the confidence in putting on makeup is when she's laughing, saying I'm going to look really good when I'm done.
Go up close so they can see my eye and Debbie's eye.
Well, first of all, I can't usually see without my glasses on, but I look like I have a car that drove over this side of my face and left a black mark, skid mark from the tire. And now I'm looking at my eyes and it looks like I've been crying on this side.
So this
Mine
side's
does
okay.
look better.
It went on really well. It's a great product.
Yes,
It's
it
a great
is.
product.
Easy
It really is.
application.
She looks lopsided.
I'm just going to face this way.
Don't judge the product by our application technique.
It went on very
Or
nicely.
do I
Any
face-
little movement, it just covered it.
Okay, and then
Now,
Sunday
the last
Riley,
product.
which I love, and they're very good and expensive products.
This is a Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream, an advanced brightening and refining treatment fused into the next generation water cream. Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream delivers an intense water drenched with 2 forms of... Oh, you probably just wasted a ton of it.
At this price?
No, she didn't.
Okay.
Stop. I'm gonna
So
pick it
it's
up.
like this green.
Cindy,
Ooh, put it back in.
There you go.
All right, so let's take a peek at how this feels.
It doesn't take the stain or anything off your table, so that's good.
There's no smell to it, so hopefully.
It's a hydrating cream. I guess
Yeah, it smells like cucumbers. That's why it's hydrating, because
Oh,
there's
maybe.
cucumbers in it. It smells like
It does
cucumbers.
smell like cucumbers. Actually.
Wait, it doesn't say there's cucumbers in it, but
It's got the smell of cucumbers.
papaya enzymes.
Huh.
Papaya enzymes smooth and exfoliate, while
I'm gonna
alpha.
need some on this side of my face.
It also helps get rid of the hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Tidal increases hydrates up to 68% in as little as 15 minutes and for up to 24 hours of moisture. Wow, nice product. You're gonna have to let us know how that feels.
All right, what else we got? I think we got one
One
more
more
product.
thing, and it's called.
It is called the Clean Skin Water Bottle Infuser. Pack your water bottle with your choice of nutritious, healthy fruits and vegetables. Retails for $17.95.
That'll be nice for you getting back on your
Yeah.
diet. You can
Yeah.
flavor your water so you don't get so
Not
bored with
necessarily
it.
diet, but
This is a very
nutritional,
cool
yeah.
bottle, you guys. Look at. You put your fruit in.
I like to put cucumbers in the middle, and I
Yes,
put some
yes,
mint,
yes.
cucumber and mint in there. I like putting
There it is,
lemons,
that's
and
where it goes on your.
we're cap challenged, as you all know. It's okay.
Yeah, this
just
is
show
how
them
you
the
hang it
bottle.
on a purse or something, but there's a little button here that. Okay.
Just let us know when you come back to the video.
There's no directions and I can't figure it out. Your new water bottle has a secret locking ring. Just flip the metal ring down to unlock the top. That right there. Yeah, there you go. See?
Okay, so it's not a button, it's a little metal ring that you
And
pull
then
down.
you push the button. No, now push the button. There you go. That little metal ring keeps it from popping open and losing all your stuff.
So, what do you guys think of this box? It was a value of over $300. I'm really happy with it. I don't think there is anything that I don't like in here. I think it was a great, great box. I really do.
It would just
What
be
do you
nice
think?
if sometimes they put a little tutorial in there
For us women who don't know how to put makeup on. I would have done better. I didn't have the right brush.
I know, because your makeup always looks great.
And she started to contour the cheek here instead of where Barb needs the cheekbone.
That's okay, it makes me look a little bit thinner.
You're supposed to highlight under the cheekbone to give you a more, okay. Anyway, so we are up at little Barbie's house, and
She doesn't like to be called Barbie. Her name is Barb.
That's okay, I'm okay with Barbie now. I'm old, I have confidence.
Oh, she told us to quit calling her. We've been calling her Barbie our entire lives, and she said, "You know, I really prefer Barb." I'm like, "I'll try." All right.
And then they
so-
started calling me, hi Barb.
Babs, Baba. We used to call her Baba when she was little.
Yeah,
we called her
that's right.
Baba.
Because Lowell couldn't say my name.
Yeah, so it stuck, and that was her nickname for probably about 10 years. But anyway, we digress. Anyway, this was Cindy's BoxyLuxe, and it was a great box. BoxyCharm, you are just nailing it, man.
Yeah.
You are a great company. Every time we get a box, we're so excited to get off this camera and start playing with the products. So, good job.
all right. Well, thanks for tuning in. And if you could do us a favor and hit subscribe, and what's even better, just share our video with someone who you think
And
needs to be cheered
This
up.
our little makeup dummy here has her own YouTube channel now. It's called
Minnesota Girl DIY and unboxing, I think.
She's gonna be doing a whole bunch of stuff. So tune into her channel. It's gonna be a really fun channel to tune into. We're gonna have a link underneath our video so you can cross over and then give her a little love. Hit that subscribe button for her and let her see how fast that can go up.
Yeah,
So
I need to feel loved.
she needs validation to
Yeah.
make sure she's not doing this for nothing. All right, well anyway, she is the little sister, so show her some love. We didn't through most of her life. So now we have to make up for it. But anyway, thanks for tuning in with us. We are trying to get to 2,500. We're going to do a mini giveaway just to say, hey, thanks. And then at 3,000, we're going to do another big giveaway. So if you could share our videos with even one friend, we would really appreciate it.
Debbie just likes repeating what we've already talked about. That's okay.
We didn't say that yet in
Yes,
this
we
video.
sure did.
Well, then cut all that out.
Okay.
Okay, we're cutting it out. Thanks for tuning in.
All right. Good night, ladies.
Bye.
I didn't hear you